Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. All right, we're going to continue this rather interesting struggle with getting access to the script for this critter. What I'm going to do is duplicate this one and see if I get any different behaviors so that I can edit the script. I just left clicked, so it's now locked in place. I'm going to click on right. I'm going to right click. Now I'm going to take a look at the viewer. All right, now I'm looking at viewer 1. This is PETA 1. And I'm going to make him go forward by 5. Let's see if that works. Okay, it is working. You can barely see it. Let's bump that up to 10 so we can see, actually 100, so we can see it. When I click on 100, it goes forward 100. Okay, that's all well and good. Now, let's run a test. Actually, how do I run this whole thing? How do I run the whole script? I don't know how to run the whole script. So I'm just going to drag this up. Wait, how do I run the whole script? All right. Let's just push that up in there. It's not going to work. All right, so I'm going to drag this out. Okay, so that's PETA 1. Now it's its own script. Why couldn't I do that with PETA 0? Test. All right, test. PETA 1 sees color. We're going to make a painting, and I'm going to give it a color. We'll make it green, and I'll just draw something there, and I'll keep it. Alright, so when PETA 1 sees PETA's one color, PETA's one, okay, sees color green. Okay, PETA 1, and then turn 5. Or maybe we could actually get it to bounce. We'll try bounce. Let's drag that out. And we'll pull open the script. Oh, right click. Use the left click. Okay, and motion. Where's bounce? Okay, bounce. So just drag this. I'm dragging. Click, drag. Click, drag. It's not dragging. Now it's dragging. Okay. Clumsy UI. Alright, bounce, silence, we'll make it chirp, like PETA in the background. Okay, so let's copy this. Right click. Right click. Thank you. Shift, copy. Ooh, clumsy, clumsy. Very slow. Okay, so now stop, and let's set this running. Okay, Let's stop that, because that's clearly not what we wanted. Let's delete. Oh, very difficult to select unless the object has been filled, which is what I'm going to try to do afterwards. In the meantime, be patient, especially because if your object is not full, it's very difficult to grasp. Okay, so now let's make that 50, and we should have heard a chirp, but we didn't, so let's see what happens now. Great, it just jumped right over. Stop, 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 stop. Come on, left click. I'm trying to left click, left click. Alright, so clearly it jumped over whatever object I had put in its place, so we're going to put it down to 10. And now let's run it. Okay, didn't work again. Alright, well that's part of the fun, right? Is things not working?